Today, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Google form instead of sending it. This is particularly useful when you want to share your form publicly or embed it on a website rather than sending individual invitations to respondents. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that has access to the form you want to publish. This step is essential because it ensures you're working with the right forms and have the proper permissions to make changes. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms. This is where all your recently created or edited forms are displayed. Browse through and click on the specific form you want to publish. This will open up your form in the editor view where you can make any final adjustments if needed. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Publish. Click on this button to begin the publishing process. This is the crucial step that makes your form accessible to a wider audience beyond just those who receive a direct invitation. Once you click Publish, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Google's way of making sure you really want to make this form public or shareable. Go ahead and click Publish again in this confirmation dialog. This double confirmation helps prevent accidental publishing of forms that might contain sensitive information or aren't quite ready for public viewing. After confirming, navigate back to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll now see an option that says Copy Responder Link. This link is what you'll use to share your form with others. Click on Copy Responder Link and then click Copy to store this URL in your clipboard. And that's it. You now have the shareable link copied and ready to distribute. You can paste this link anywhere you'd like, whether that's in an email, on social media, on your website, or any other platform where you want people to access and fill out your form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.